Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cannabis. Cannabis is called as pot, weed, grass, Mary Jane. Cigarettes containing cannabis are referred to as reefer or joint. Active principle is tetrahydrocannabinol. Typical burnt rope odor is seen with cannabis. Preparations. Bhang. Bhang include drinks or beverages or decoration or cannabis tea is called bhang. 15% of active principle is seen in bhang. Bhang is the mildest form and it is prepared from dried leaves and shoots and roots. Majoon. Majoon is a sweet prepared from bhang with honey and ghee. Ganja. Ganja is prepared from the flowers of female plant. It is green rustic. It has green rustic powder smell. Ganja contains 15 to 25% of active principle. Smoking of ganja is called as chillan or pipe. Cigarette. Smoking of ganja with cigarette is called as reefer or joint. Ganja is also referred to as marijuana or marijuana. Charas. Charas or hashish. Charas or hashish is the resin extract from the stem. It contains 40% of the active principle. Charas is the most potent preparation. It is obtained by smoking. Hush oil. Hush oil contains 70 to 90% of active principle. Sinsemilla is also seen. Sinsemilla is also one of the preparation.
thank you and thank you for watching.